Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 380 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 277 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,043 indicators, with 434 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says these bands show exactly where to buy and sell. And so we're going to put this strategy or indicator to the test to see if the bands are actually giving us the exact buy and sell locations. I mean, I guess in theory you could say that they are. Anywhere that it gives us, that's the exact location it's telling us to buy or sell. But the question is whether or not that is profitable. And that's what we'll be testing. And so this is just going to be a single indicator, and so it's going to go on the indicator testing spreadsheet instead of the strategy testing spreadsheet. And so the indicator that we are looking at is the polynomial regression Keltner channel, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And the settings on this stay on the default, so no need to change anything. And so what we're looking for a long trade, for example, so we are looking for when we'll call it the Keltner channel just to make it easy. When the Keltner channel starts to display these blue bands and this black line right here turns solid. When the black line is solid, that is an indication that we are in an uptrend, and when it's dashed, that's an indication that we are in a downtrend. And so when it starts to display these blue bands and the line turns solid, then what we're looking for is one of these diamonds, these orange diamonds, to appear like this here. And once an orange diamond appears, we're then going to look at price action, and we want the last 5 candlesticks or bars to be above all of the channels, just like this right here. You can see that was an extended period of time where price was trading above the blue channels there. And when that lines up, that will be the signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot or swing right here. Then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit pretty easily. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at a long trade. I'm pretty sure I said long trade on the last one, and then I showed you a short. That's okay. You get the point there, and so this one's going to be an example of a long. And so what we have is the Keltner channel starting to display these orange lines here, and the black line has went to dashed like it has here. Then what we see is price starts to trade below all the channels, and then we pick up a blue diamond right here, and we look back and we want the last 5 bars to have been trading below the channel. And when I did this, I excluded the signal candle, this one right here. I just wanted the previous bars from that signal candle, before that signal candle, I guess I should say, the 5 previous bars to all be trading below all of the channels like it does here. And so when that lines up there, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right there, put our stop just below this kind of pivot swing right here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Should be good. All right, let's play this forward and see how it plays out. All right, we get this really nice push to the upside once again, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades, putting it at a 50% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,000 for an overall gain of $5,000. And so definitely not a bad indicator. I believe we've tested this indicator before in the past and it didn't do as well. And so this little bit of a tweak to it definitely made a difference. Compare that to the Academy Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 84 trades altogether. We had 67 winning trades and 17 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $40,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $20,400 for an overall gain of $19,800. So definitely better gains and results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have definitely skyrocketed the win rate of the Academy Forex indicator to the high 90% and would have put the win rate closer to the $40,000, and so would have definitely been better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we closed the 26th winning trade in a row, still maintaining that 100% win rate just a couple of days ago. Haven't been trading just the last couple of days because it's the weekend. Try to give myself a couple of days off. And so again, still maintaining that 100% win rate on the account over a month now, closing in on 2 months with 100% profitability using the scalping strategy that I just mentioned and the position management strategy. The total growth on the account is a little over 30% at this point. So highly recommend you check that out. I'll put a screenshot of the trade that we closed just a few days ago up on screen now. I said I was going to do it in the last video and then I forgot to do it and in the editing stage, and so I apologize for that, but I'll put it up on screen this time for sure. And like I said, I highly suggest you check it out if you want to become a profitable trader. So, all right, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.